Hi guys, what's going on? It's the digital tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial, and in today's video I'm just going to show you how to reset your watch history on YouTube. This is the most up-to-date method as of filming in 2021. If an updated method does become available, what I'll do is pop a link at the top of the video now, or post a link in the video description below. But if you don't see that appear, don't worry, this is the most up-to-date method. And if you find this video helpful today, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more how-tos, step-by-step tutorials and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So let's go straight in and I'll show you what to do. So I'm going to open up my Google browser and come across to youtube.com. It's very simple to do this, it's not hard at all. What you need to do is make sure you're logged into your YouTube account that you want to delete your watch history for. So I'm logged in up here in the top right hand corner. And once you're logged in, you need to click the three horizontal lines in the top left hand corner. And what's going to happen is going to expand a menu like this. And then what you're going to do is just come down and click onto history. So from here, it's going to have a list of all the videos you've watched. And what you can do is actually go through and delete them individually if you want to. So you just hover over the video and you click on the cross here. And that's going to remove that from the video history. Or what you can do is actually come to the menu on the right hand side and go ahead and click this clear all watch history. And then it's just going to come up with a quick message. And all you're going to do is click the clear watch history down here. And what you can even do is click this button to pause the watch history, which means in the future that's going to stop your history being recorded. And basically YouTube's recommended videos to you won't be based on your history. So it's a good way as well if you're tired of the suggested videos that YouTube are recommending to you. You can actually pause this for the future, and that's going to stop YouTube suggesting videos based on your watch history. That's going to scrap the recommendations as well. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there's a link in the video description down below, where if you give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.